You need a professional logo and you need one fast. Learn how to do so in minutes. Welcome. My name is EJ Smith of EJ Designs, and I want to teach you how you can learn how to create a logo, and let's dive in. Let's talk about some of the pain points people have when they're trying to create a logo. Who do I go to? Who's the best artist to work with? How do I even get started? What do I need? Like, there's so many different questions out there that some people don't have the answers to. So here's what you can do. You can go on ChatGPT. It's something that a lot of people are underutilizing and not appreciating the fact that these things are readily accessible to you. So what I would suggest is get yourself a paid account today. It's only $20 a month, and it's a very needed tool that you should have a part of your business. Here's why. You can create images in ChatGPT. A lot of people don't realize that, but you can. Get started now. I want to walk you through the process on how you can even start this. How do I write the right prompt that would generate the logo that I want? Great question, and that's what I'm here to do today. I'm going to walk you through that process. All right, so what I'm going to start off by doing is logging into ChatGPT. Once I get into ChatGPT, make sure you're running the newest version, the newest model, which is GPT 4.0. Okay, so you go to the chat portion of it, and let's pretend as if we are spanking brand new and we are a beginner. So what I'm going to do is say, create a logo for my company called the Amazing Hat Dad. Let's go with that. Hat Dad. This company sells dad hats. And was generating a copy of the logo. So, game out with something. But I love green. So I want to include green in this. So let's make the primary color of my logo to be green. Getting better. I like it. Let's see, what else can we do? I don't know. I feel like this is good enough. So this is an idea of how you can generate a logo using ChatGPT to advance and get logos done faster in less time. Just think about if you were working with a designer. Now, not to discourage, because I'm a designer myself, but it would make life a lot easier for a designer if you were able to take a logo such as this and sit it on over tours, and we can get it done in less time because we don't need to come up with concepts. We know exactly what it is that you want. So think about it. You can get what you want professionally done and in less time. Just because I mentioned fitted hats, I want to test the theory. Let's just see. Let's make this fitted hat. And then I'm done with the hat game. Either way, it's cool. Seeing how fast it took for us to create this logo, and I did it with just a few keystrokes, and you too can do the exact same thing. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, share it, do all that stuff.